Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create public contest in my 11 Circle full guide. Open your My 11 Circle dashboard and select Contests to begin creating a public contest. Start by choosing the match, contest type, and entry fee, then set team limits and total spots. Add a clear prize breakup and description so users know what they win. Double-check rules and eligibility before publishing to avoid later disputes. Log into the admin console and navigate to create contest to follow a simple flow. Choose match and contest format, then enter entry fee, total spots, and team limits. Configure prize breakup precisely and mark whether prizes are guaranteed or dependent on entries. Add a short, clear description and any special eligibility rules so users understand requirements. Preview the contest page and save as draft before publishing live. Create concise, unambiguous rules covering lineup changes, scoring, and tiebreakers to minimize complaints. Set up moderation alerts and automated checks to detect suspicious behavior and enforce penalties quickly. Offer a transparent refund policy for match postponements or cancellations and communicate timelines clearly. Keep a support channel ready to handle user questions and appeals, and update rules when platform features or regulations change to stay compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.